Hello, I'm Kate Stichina and you're on InstaForex TV channel. Presently, traders are concerned whether the Chinese delegation will be able to convince Washington not to increase tariffs on Chinese goods. Asian markets were trading with a higher turbulence, but they did not get into panic. Today, the two-day trade talks have kicked off in Washington. The United States and China might still reach an agreement, though markets are still on edge. Ahead of the meeting, the negotiators exchanged angry arguments. The US is posted to raise tariffs on China's imports, while China is thinking about countermeasures. Earlier, the US dollar benefited from escalation of the trade dispute. Now it has come under pressure. Growing concerns about the escalation of the conflict induced market participants to raise their expectations of a rate cut in the US later this year. During the Asian session, the US dollar index recovered slightly against its major counterparts to the level of 97.54. Overall, Asian trading was sluggish. The latest news about the US-China talks keeps investors' risk appetite in check. The yen strengthened against the greenback amid risk-aversion sentiment. The dollar-yen pair closed to the Asian trade at 109.88. The downward movement might continue, but there are no signs for a serious fall of the pair. The US dollar is unlikely to drop below 109. Even if the trade talks between the United States and China fail, the aggravation of the trade dispute only partly contributed to the decline of the dollar-yen pair, which had been trading lower for 2 weeks in a row. The US dollar is more gainful investment than the yen. Gold prices have increased slightly today. Demand for the precious metal remains low because the market does not panic and does not break into safe-haven assets. The Australian dollar did not change following the data on price growth in China. The AUD USD pair was trading lower at 0.6977. The producer price index in China rose by 0.9% year-on-year in April, the fastest pace since December, and consumer prices grew by 2.8%, reaching a 6-month high. The rise in producer prices above the forecast suggests that the world's second-largest economy may slowly respond to stimulus programs as Chinese authorities seek to prevent external risks, such as trade tensions with the United States. You are watching Market News on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable deals.